friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about how to enable the one-hand usage in the POCO X3 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone. The POCO X3 is of kind of big smartphone which has a 6.67 inches screen. So definitely in some situation you won't be able to reach every corner of the phone. And by enabling this single hand usage will be best option in that situations. So right now I'll be demonstrating what are the steps you need to know and what are how to enable the single hand usage as well. So first is that you need to go to the settings and go to the additional settings here. So once you are in the additional settings, you can find the one hand usage mode, as you can see here. So this is a one hand usage mode. So you do get this kind of three different screen sizes you want to choose. So first you need to enable that one. So initially by the default this will be disabled, so you need to enable that. So once you enable that, you can select the what type of small screen you want. So usually I'll prefer to use 4.5 inches. So now let me try to demonstrate you how to enable the single hand usage once you are done with the settings. So you just need to press the middle button and swipe to the left or right which direction you want to enable. So now let me try to demonstrate you. As you can see, friends, so it takes initially it will take a couple of takes to make it work, but later on you'll get figured out how to use this one. So once you are done, as you can see, you'll get this kind of small window here, single hand usage. But one thing to remember is that not all the applications will support with the small single hand usage. For example, you cannot play any games using this single hand usage. So few of the applications like settings and the Play Store and Google Chrome and the WhatsApp, Facebook, all those applications will definitely work in the single hand usage. But there's games which will be definitely enabling the big screen. As you can see right now, I tried to use PUBG, but it did not support there. So now if you want to use to the right side, you just need to swipe hold in the middle button and swipe to the right side, as you can see. So just hold for 1 second and just swipe to the left or right, which direction you want. So sometimes it takes a couple of tries, so definitely you can enable this option in case you are having the POCO X3 device. And now let me show you how to change even the screen settings as well. So you do get this kind of small settings option. So if you don't like this kind of 4.5 inches, you can always decrease the screen size. As you can see how much small it became compared to the previous one. So it depends upon you, friends, which screen size is suitable for you. So once you are done with that, if you want to disable this single hand usage, you just need to press side. As you can see, anywhere you can tap, automatically the full screen will get enabled. As you can see, just tap anywhere. It doesn't matter where you tap, as you can see, friends. So this is how you can enable the single hand usage in the POCO X3 device. And for more live wallpapers and interesting videos on the POCO X3 device, so always check the links in description for more details about what wallpapers I'm using and more details about the POCO X3 as well. So there is a playlist available for the POCO X3 phone only. There's so many videos already uploaded in that playlist. So try to check that playlist for more videos and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. And one more thing I forgot to mention about the typing as well. So whenever if you want to type, as you can see, friends, with the single hand usage, you can easily type instead of reaching every corner. So whenever you want to type, you just need to press left side. So you'll get all these kind of options in the small window. So which is very easy to type in single hand usage, as you can see here. And that's it, friends. And for more videos, make sure to watch links in description. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.